All right, so what I wanted to do with this video is kind of show how to navigate our distance learning platform. So we just finished with week one, and some of you might have found figuring out how to use everything pretty easy, but a lot of us are probably struggling with exactly what we should be doing, when we should be doing it, how we should be doing it, all that kind of stuff. So I want to start with our week two tab. So if you don't know, in Google Classroom, there's a stream, and what I've done is I've limited the stream function to just announcements. So, for example, this morning, I listed out exactly what we're doing this week, when my office hours are, stuff like that, but I didn't have the content that we're doing listed on here. So in order to get that, you have to go to classwork, and it'll show something like this at the top. But on this side, it'll show something like week one, week two. You can click on those, or you can just scroll down to the current week. So I'm at week two, April 27th through May 1st. I'm going to click on my weekly schedule. So the first thing I do, what I would do for the week is figure out what the weekly schedule is. What you'll see here is the Zoom. There's a link to the actual meeting from 12 to 2. It's also linked here from 12 to 2. And then this is the password for our Zoom meeting. So right now it's just the office hours, but I need to schedule a class meeting as well. The next thing that you can do is mark your digital attendance. So how I do that is I come back here, I find just the date, Monday, April 27th, and we're going to click on the attendance form and fill that out. All right. Once I've done the digital attendance, there's a BrainPop video that I'd like you guys to watch that's on writing 5-paragraph essays. I'm not asking you to actually work on any of that content or do anything with that, sorry, but I am asking you to just watch it. So in order to log in, you need a username and password. And Miss Sharp was kind enough to add that username and password in. So what I did is I just posted the username and password on the BrainPop login info underneath resources. So all you need is, oops, I don't want to do that. Let's view material. So I'm going to highlight the username, click copy, come back here, paste in the username, go back here, highlight password, copy, paste in the password. And then I'm going to hit login. All right. Once I'm logged in, I can just save that. I can watch this movie. You can take the quiz if you want to take the quiz with it. I would do the review. If you want to, you can do graded, but this is for all of Foothill Ranch, so the score will be recorded for everybody to see. So probably not a good idea to do the graded. Just do the review if you want to do that. So that's all we have for attendance in English for today. I wanted to give you guys a little bit of break with the IXL, so we only have one IXL this week. But the majority of what we're going to be doing is this Mansa Musa HyperDoc, which I've also done a recording of which you can look and figure out exactly what we're doing for these first 2 days. But what's also linked in here is the BrainPop video from Mansa Musa. So you're going to need the BrainPop for two things, for the 5-paragraph essay video as well as the Mansa Musa video. Okay, so you're really going to need to be able to log into the FRMS BrainPop in order to do that. Then if I wanted to take a look at what I have for the rest of the week, we have digital attendance, obviously, but we also have iReady, we have the IXLs, we have each of these sections of the Mansa Musa HyperDoc, which I've linked. But if you click on each of these, this brings up the ClassLink Launchpad, so you can log in there. This brings up specifically IXL Language Arts for 7th grade, so it gets you right there. These, I believe, this is the Edpuzzle that you need to complete for the explain portion of the Mansa Musa HyperDoc. There's the apply, which is specifically this TCI notebook activity that you're going to do on Wednesday as well. And then reflect and extend. Reflect is going to be a Google Forms. The extend are optional videos that you can do. So that's a brief overview of what we're going to be doing for the week. And then if you're looking specifically for the day, you can go back to classwork, come down to week 2. That's the weekly schedule we just looked at. Here's the daily schedule. So even if you don't want to look at the week as a whole, I suggest looking at the day. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 things that we're going to be completing today. The first one is completing the attendance form below. Pretty simple. Just click on the attendance form, fill that out. Second thing is watching the video on the 5-paragraph essay on BrainPop. And what I linked here isn't the video. It's actually the login information. So if you click on that, it'll open up with the username and password that you need. And then you're going to open up the Mansa Musa HyperDoc and watch the Engage video. So you open up the Mansa Musa HyperDoc, watch, sorry, it's not the Engage video, it's the watch video. I need to change that. And then the last one is read the first article in the Explorer section and answer the question in the HyperDoc. So I've already explained what you need to do, but it's just answering this first question. So 2 and 3 you can save for tomorrow and finish those then. It says, hint, say the other articles for the Explorers section for Tuesday. That's to make sure that you're not doing too much. But if you want to get ahead and you feel like you haven't done enough today, then go ahead and do that as well.